bit skeptical about that, and I really don't know what's gonna happen. So let's get on the journey with me. Come on. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anvesha with you. I hope all of you are doing good. In one of my last videos, I will link it up here so that you can tell which video I'm talking about. On that video, I was working with the Beauty Glazed color shades palette, and I was super impressed with the last section, which was the blue section, because I never did any blue eye look. So I said I would do one, and here it is. And honestly, I'm a bit scared because blue is the hardest to work with. It doesn't want to blend that good. It might look a bit patchy. So here I'm calling out the goddess of ice and blue, Elsa. Help me with that, because we're gonna be like Elsa today. I have my base done. I'm gonna start with priming the lid. Oh no, I forgot to pull you close, so I have it on my eyelash. Oh. Okay, it's blended. Now I am going to set it with this icy blue color, and here is why. These eyeshadows are not very pigmented, and because it is going to be a completely blue look, so A, it is going to help with the pigmentation a bit more, and it is not going to bother. So now you can actually use the trick for any look as well. If you are just doing maybe a yellow or a pink look, use any soft yellow or a light pink color, and it will make it more like appear more pigmented. It is pretty much set. Now I am going to take this color and I will put it on my crease. So gonna take it on the same brush, I think. Yes. First I am going to pack it on the lid, and then I'll start blending it. See, it's buildable, but you won't get the like super vibrant pigmentation on the first application. And I have already made a review about this, so if you want to check it out, it will be linked up here. I just realized it has only 3 mattes in blue, which is not sufficient for the look I'm planning to do. So I think I'm going to need to use a different palette with it as well. As of now, I am going to go with this shade. Can't ever bother me anyway. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Now I am going to take an angled brush, and with the help of that I am going to put this color, and I am going to make a cut crease with it. Look at that. That is so beautiful. It just made the look. Oh, really the prettiest shimmer. It is the prettiest color I've worked with. Oh god. And I will put it only till here, like it will be on the half of the lid. I'm gonna do the same on this eye. It's looking so much like her. I decided to take it out. I think it's looking better. Now I'm going to close this, and I'm taking this Leon Beauty Rock and Roll palette, and from here I'm going to go with this blue color with a very defined brush. I will just put it here, and I'll pretty much joint these two. Okay. This look would be incomplete if I don't use any glitter from this palette, because it has beautiful glitters. So from the last chapter, I'm going to go with this silver glitter, and I will put it on from this to this. You will see what I'm talking about. I will take it with my finger. I'm just going to tap in here. Should I leave this or should I fill the gap? I have no idea. I'm so scared. I don't want any glitter particle to go into my eye. It would hurt so bad. My face is covered with glitters, so, and it's not going anywhere. Oh god. It doesn't want to go. Now for my lower lash line, I am going to mix this two, this one and this one together. I'm taking a shader brush. And I'll just bring it to the middle. I will not take it all the way up to the corner. I again poke my... The glitters are... It is done. Now I'm going to pop on some lashes. I'll wear a lipstick and I'll see you after that. Let it go. So, this is the final look. I won't say anything. You guys tell me what do you think about this. If you like it, do not forget to hit that like button. If you like this face and want to see more from me, then do not forget to subscribe to this channel and hit on that little notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload any new video. And until then, stay happy, keep glowing, and let your imagination fly through your head. Bye.